Oh,
Yeah, sorry about that. That's not the story we're telling. No, we're here for Peter Rabbit, the hero of our tale. A young rabbit in a blue coat and no